I'm getting sick of winding up this garden hose all the time, right? I've done this before years ago, and I had it on a reel for about 12 years. And when I moved house, it just got moved about and then got lost, or someone nicked it, I don't know. So I'm doing it again. Now, the reason why I use air compressor hose and not garden hose is because the garden hose is not as thick, but it's a little bit bigger, but it's not as thick. And it's kind of like a cheap hose in an expensive reel. So you're kind of paying more for this and less for the hose when you buy them. Anyway, when I went to go get one, they had only one option at Bunnings, which was $50 for the garden hose one, or this one for $90. So I paid the extra for this one because I know this one's going to last longer. The hose is going to last forever. But to make this fit, it's not going to get on there properly because it's really tight, you know. I've done this before. I was just trying to push it on earlier, mucking around. So you're going to heat this up first. This is with any hose, this trick works. But I just wanted to show you, I'm doing it with the garden hose. I've already done this part here. And like I already knew what to do before doing this today because I've done it before. So just going to leave that in there, I don't know, a good minute or two. And I need to open up these as well. Now don't bend them too far because the hose is thicker. It needs to get past. So I'm just going to give you a look at this in a second once I've opened up all these little claw things. If you bend them too far, they break off. I guess if you break a couple, it doesn't matter. As long as you've got most of them there still. This is just so the hose can slip on properly. Okay, that's good enough. So I've opened it up there. Right there, if you can see that. I should be in there for long enough now. So now what I'm going to do is spray this guy here, the extension, make it all nice and slippery. Because now that the hose is soft, you're not going to get that on. It's in far enough, so it's about that far down, about an inch. Now it needs to cool down. And the hose is not going to work there, so just want to cool it down a little bit quicker. Now as this cools down, it's shrinking, so it's getting tight onto that extension. Okay, it should be cold enough to use there. So now I'm going to get me trusty multis. I took it off by hand when I did that one there, but this should make it a little bit easier. Okay, and the screwdriver I had 2 seconds ago. Oh man, I'm the king of that. Put something down and it's lost. I'll get another one. Oh, there it is. All right, so just to make life easier to get this back off. Now we've got to, don't forget this part here, otherwise you'll be spitting them. You'll be kicking yourself. And we'll just push that on there. Too easy. And there you go. Bob's your uncle, Jane's your auntie. Now I'll get the end for that. No more messing around with garden hoses. Right, well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.